In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opt-in form in Kit. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in, all the way to getting your finished form live on your website. I'll explain what each option means so you know why you're clicking, not just where to click. First, from your Kit dashboard, look for the main navigation and click on Grow. Under Grow, select Landing Pages and Forms. This is the area where all of your lead capture tools live. Once you're there, find the button that says Create New and click it. This tells Kit that you want to build something from scratch rather than editing an existing form. Next, you'll be asked what type of asset you want to create. Choose Form. After that, Kit will prompt you to pick a display style. This is how your opt-in will appear on your site. For example, you can choose an inline form, which sits naturally inside a page or blog post, or a modal form, which pops up over the content. If you want something subtle, inline is usually better. If you want to grab attention, a modal works well. Select the style that best fits how your audience interacts with your site. Once you've chosen the type and style, you'll see a selection of templates. These are pre-designed layouts, so you don't have to start from a blank canvas. Browse through until you find a design that matches your brand or layout needs. When you've found one you like, click Choose. Remember, you can usually customize colors, text, and images later, so focus on the basic structure for now. With your template selected, it's time to configure the important details. Click on Settings, then go to the Incentive section. This is where you upload your opt-in bribe or lead magnet, such as a free guide, checklist, or mini course. You'll also set up the confirmation email that subscribers receive after they sign up. Make sure the message is clear, includes a link to the download if needed, and reinforces the value they're getting. Double-check the subject line and sender details so it looks trustworthy in their inbox. When everything looks good, click Save to make sure you don't lose your changes. Finally, click Publish. Kit will generate JavaScript or HTML code for your new opt-in form. Copy that code and paste it into your website where you want the form to appear. After adding it, visit your site and test the form to confirm that signups and emails are working as expected.